Okay, so after a week off, recharged my batteries. Uh, we got done with a 9-part series of um, doing the Star Wars: The Force coding kit. Um, that was fun. We got through all the exercises and did a lot of cool stuff. Kano made a really good product. A little buggy at times, but not gonna bash him on that. I write code that's hella buggy, so I feel like I have no room to talk. But we're moving on to the next thing. And I was thinking about doing, I have the Harry Potter coding wand. I was thinking about doing that, but I thought maybe I'd give Kano a little break and give some love to Swift Playgrounds. So, um, sorry, pardon my ear picking. Um, so we got a new layout, way bigger logo, smaller my face, which is probably better, and a bigger screen to look at. And we're going to look at um, Swift Playgrounds, and there's a ton of stuff you can do in here. Um, so I have it up right now. You can learn how to, make a bunch of games. Uh, they just have a learn to code. Like they just have a bunch of sections right here. Um, they have a bunch of little games. You can also hook up other things to it. So I have a Sphero. I've done a couple Sphero exercises with this, um, which is cool. They have Lego Mindstorms, which I've heard a lot about, and they seem really cool. UbiTech or UbiTech, whatever you want to call it, Gmu robots. You can code those. Um, a drone, didn't know that. So there's so much stuff you can do in here. But Wonder Workshop, that's a good one. Um, but we're going to start off with just the learn to code to start, and this will teach you Swift programming. So this is the language that is used by Apple to make apps. They released it maybe 4 or 5 years ago, I want to say, maybe even longer than that, but it's a pretty new language. So it replaced Objective C, which is what they originally used. So yeah, this will be a good beginner guide to code for all sorts of Apple products like iPads and um, iPhones and all that good stuff. So, without further ado, let's get started. We're just going to walk through all these. We're going to go through Learn to Code 1, maybe Learn to Code 2, and then we'll branch off. We'll see when we get tired of it what uh, what else we'll do new. Apparently, I thought I had already downloaded it, but apparently not. Um, we'll wait for it to download. Um, but while it's downloading, which is crazy, I'm downloading the same thing and one's going faster than the other. Interesting. But I'll have to look more into this stuff and see. I mean, if there's something that any of the viewers want to see, let me know. But I'm probably just going to choose. If I don't hear anything, I'm just going to choose what I want to do. So without further ado, let's just delete this one since we have this one. And here we go. Now, I'm on an iPad Pro. Um, I have tried this on an iPad Mini and it didn't work the best. But it has worked pretty well on the iPad Pro. It just takes a lot. There's a lot of animations and a lot of cool stuff that goes on. So sometimes the processing power, it just doesn't work quite as well. So if you have a Mini, just know that might be a little slow at times, but I could still get through it. So here we go. Learn to code 1. We're going to learn commands. Let's see. So have you ever followed a recipe to bake something delicious? I have followed a recipe, but it usually never comes out very delicious. Or followed instruction to assemble something cool. I always think of Legos. The directions are, step by step, stuff like that. Um, so you need to follow the instructions in the correct order or you'll end up with something unexpected. Correct. So writing code allows you to create your own set of instructions for your device to carry out. So this is just in case you haven't picked up on this yet. It is just a kind of overview of what coding is. Your goal is to figure out which instructions in which order will result in something great. All right, got it. All right, so you'll start by writing commands to move a character named Byte, very cute by the way, around a puzzle world performing tasks. For example, you'll tell Byte to move forward with the move forward command, and then we'll do move backward, collect gem with the collect gem command. Notice that Notice the mashed together words. Code is punctuated and spaced like human language, but commands have no spaces between words. So if you look at the collect gem, there's no space. Commands always end in parentheses. You'll see why later. So let us start coding. All right. So like I said, you'll have a left side where you'll kind of see all your code, and then you'll have a right side which just loaded on my iPad. So like I said, it's definitely um, processor heavy. It does little animations for you. So um, let's get started. So the goal for this one is to use Swift commands to tell Byte to move forward and collect the gem. So we have a couple squares. He has to go forward and he has to collect the gem. So your character Byte loves to collect gems but can't do it alone. In this first puzzle, you'll need to write Swift commands to move Byte across the puzzle world to collect a gem. So one, look for the gem in the puzzle world. It's at the end of that little staircase over there. Enter the correct combination of move forward and collect gem commands. All right. So I'm going to tap this to enter the code, and it will basically recommend it down at the bottom here. I don't know if you see this, or you can type it out, I believe. So I don't know how well you can tell. Here, maybe I'll zoom in a little bit. So there's a couple squares here. So he'll go forward 1 square, 2 squares, 3 squares, and then collect the gem. So we have to do 3 move forwards, and then run the collect gem. So we're going to tap to enter the code. We're going to do move forward, move forward, move forward, collect gem. So we have 3 move forward commands. That moves it 1 space at a time, and then we're going to collect the gem. So let's run the code. 1, 2, 3, collect the gem. Bam! So there it is. We've written our first lines of Swift code. So Byte performed the commands you wrote and did exactly what you asked in exactly the order that you specified. So let's go to the next one. All right, so now we're going to add a new command. Like I said, this thing. All right, so combine move and turn commands to collect the gem. This puzzle is just like the last one, but this time Byte needs to turn left to reach the gem. You can use the commands from the previous puzzle as well as a new command, turn left. 1 second, my dog is whining. All right, couldn't figure out what she was whining about, but that's cool. No, we need to stop that. No whining. No. Okay. So, we need to turn left. So, plan the commands you need to make Byte move to the gem and collect it. Enter the commands in the code area and run your code. All right, so we have to go forward 1, forward 2, and then turn left, and then forward 1, forward 2, collect gem. We got it? So let's do this. So move forward 1, move forward 2, then we're going to turn left, and then move forward 1, move forward 2 again, and then collect the gem. All right. So let's run it and see what happens. 1, 2, turn left. 1, 2, collect the gem. Boom, we got it. So that's the next level. So that's cool. By the way, if you want to see like the table of contents, this is what we're gonna go through. Yeah, it's a lot, but that's okay. So we've got the first two down, and like previous episodes, we are only going to 20 minutes and then calling it quits. So now we're gonna toggle a switch. So the goal is to collect the gem and then toggle the switch. Okay, so I'm assuming the switch is that gray thing right there. So you have to collect the gem and toggle the switch. A switch might. So far, you've learned how to make byte move around and collect a gem. In this puzzle, you'll use another new command, toggle switch. Okay, cool. A switch might be toggled open or closed. So closed switches are off and awaiting activation. Open switches are on and show a light on the inner core. So enter commands to move byte to the gem, then collect it. Okay, so we have to collect the gem, and then continue entering commands to move byte to the switch, then toggle it. Alright, so let's try this out. So we're going to move forward 1, 2, turn left, then move forward 1, collect the gem, move forward again, 1, then turn left and move forward 1, 2, and then toggle the switch. This is getting complicated, people. Alright, so let's do it. So move forward 1, 2, turn left, then move forward 1, collect the gem, move forward 1 again, turn left, move forward 1, 2, and then we're going to toggle the switch, whatever that means. I'm assuming he's going to step on it or something? I don't know. So look at how long this is. This is a long one. Lots of commands. Let's see if it works. Let's run the code. Click the run code button. There we go. Forward, left, collect the gem. Nice. Move forward, turn left, move forward again. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, he did just step on it. Or I guess he jumped on it. Alright, let's go next. We got 7 minutes left. Ooh, this is a challenge. Ooh, this one looks interesting. Okay, so teleport through the portal to collect the gem. For your first challenge, there's a new element in Byte's world. A portal. The portal. Teleports Byte from one place to another. With Byte facing the same direction, going in and out, you'll need to use all the commands you've learned so far in the right order to toggle open the switch. Move through the portal and collect the gem. Don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. This is your chance to experiment. Alright, so what happens if we click this command? Oh, it just gives us that. That's not very cool. Okay, so this is going to be, fair warning, this is going to be a long one. So we got to toggle the switch and collect the gem. So we're going to move forward 1, 2, 3, turn left, move forward 1, 2, toggle the switch, move forward 1 again, and then we're going to hit this little like portal thing, I think. And then we're going to get portaled over here. And we're going to be facing the same direction. So then I think we're just going to move forward 1 again, turn left, and then move forward 2, 1, 2, and then collect the gem. Whew! Alright. Are we ready? Let's go this view. Alright, so let's start entering. So we're going to move forward 1, 2, 3, turn left, and then move forward 1, 2, toggle the switch, move forward 1. We're going to hit that portal thingy, And then we're gonna move forward one more time. There, turn left again, move forward 1, 2 to be at the gem. And then we're gonna collect the gem. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 commands. You think we did it right? Let's see. Run my code. 1, move forward 1, move forward 2, move forward 3, turn left, move forward 1, move forward 2, toggle, boom. Okay. All right, sweet. Turn left, 1, 2, collect it. Let's go. First challenge in the books. That was a good one, guys. All right, let's go to the next. Finding and fixing bugs. Interesting. All right, when you write code, it's easy to make mistakes. A mistake to keep. That is so true, by the way. Happened to me today in my actual job. I had a spelling error. I spelled participant wrong. A mistake that keeps your program from running correctly is called a bug. And then it gives you a little definition. If you click on it, an error in the code that prevents the application from running, as expected. And finding and fixing bugs is called debugging. Love debugging. Sometimes. Okay, the code below contains one or more bugs. To debug it, rearrange the commands into the right order to solve the puzzle. Alright, so we're going to run the code and see where the mistake happens. And then we're going to identify the command that's in the wrong place and press the command to select it. Drag the command to the correct location, then run the code again to test. Okay, so if we wanted to be really cool, we could just map this out in our head and figure this out before. But let's just run it and see what happens. And we'll just do what they say. So let's run it first. So it goes moves forward, turns left, moves forward. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Moves forward again. Oh no. Collects the gem. Moves forward. Yeah, this is not good. Alright, so identify the command that's in the wrong place. So we want to move forward, move. How do I do this? Select all and drag it. So I'm going to say we want to move forward twice. 1, 2, then turn left, then move forward, collect the gem, move forward one more time, and then toggle the switch. So we just essentially moved forward too little. So we moved forward and turned left too soon, and we went all the way down the stairs. Isn't it crazy? One little command just made that code go so far wrong. All right, let's. Do I have to? Oh, okay. Here we go. Now turn left. Thanks, byte. Collect that thing. Yep. And toggle that thing. Boom. Nice. We just debugged our first program. So this is a good example. All the commands are written right, but they're just in the wrong order. Crazy. Bug squash practice. Oh, another challenge. Let's go. This might be the last thing. We'll finish for this challenge and then let's finish commands. We'll go bug squash practice in the shortest route, and then we'll leave functions for part 2. All right. So reorder the commands to debug the code. In this challenge, you'll practice your bug finding skills by finding and rearranging the commands that are out of order in the code below. Watch out. Notice that one of the switches on this map starts out open. If byte toggles that switch closed, it's a bug in your code. You need all switches toggled open to complete the challenge. Ooh, interesting. Alright. It is a good idea to run your code every time you make a change. So true. To make sure you've located and fixed each bug. Don't worry if you end up trying many times. Making mistakes is actually one of the best ways to learn something new and remember it for a long time. Very true. So, looks like there's some bugs in here. So let's just run this thing and we'll get to it. So we're gonna run. It looks like he's gonna move forward. Byte's gonna move forward 3 times, which is already not good. Turn left. Oh, he's toggling the switch. Oh my gosh. So he turned the switch off, which is what we don't need. And he tried to collect a gem and then almost moved forward off of the map. So that is not what we need. So let's see. So this thing will already be toggled, I hope, when we reset this. I'm not sure. So we started this arrow. We want to move forward, turn left after the first move forward. Select, we don't want to select all of it. Can I just drag it? Ah, there we go. So we want to move forward 1, then turn left, move forward, toggle switch. Yep. Then move forward, and then we're going to hit the portal. And we're going to move forward. Oh, let's just run this. Well, you'll figure it out. So we're going to reset this. Turn left, move forward, toggle that thing. There we go. Move forward, portal. Nice. Move forward. Oh, we collected the gem too soon. Look at how sad he is. Oh, you can't see his face now. All right, so I don't know if you guys noticed, but we're gonna need to move this forward in front of the collect gem. We were 1 move forward short. So now this should work. So there's 2 real big bugs in there that we didn't want to do. So he's gonna move, turn left, move, toggle that thing. Nice. Move, portal. Boom, portaled. Move forward once, move forward twice. Collect that gem. Nice. Found all the bugs. Good job. All right. Last challenge, and we're done with commands. Pretty crazy. All right. So, evaluate options and pick the shortest route. Ooh, this looks intense. Okay. For the last challenge in this lesson, you'll make Byte move around in a bigger and more complicated world than you've seen up till now. This world has 2 portal jumps, and there are many possible solutions. Figure out the shortest route for Byte to pick up the gem and toggle open the switch. You can use one or both of the portals, and you'll need to use the commands you've learned up till now. You might need your debugging skills too. Ooh. Want to change your character? Press on Byte to choose a new look. Oh, you can choose a different one? Oh, wow. Cool. I kind of like Byte. I'm sorry, guys. I hope you didn't not want Byte. Okay, so we need to collect the gem, and we need to toggle the switch in the least amount of lines. Okay. So here we go. I'm just gonna throw this out there. We're gonna try it and see if it works. I think we can just go forward the whole time. So we go forward 1, 2, 3, collect the gem. 1, 2, 3, 4, toggle switch. Let's try it. Let's move forward once, move forward twice, move forward 3 times, collect the gem, move forward once, move forward twice, portal action, and then move forward. So we'll be at the screen portal, and we'll move forward again, and one more time, and then we're going to toggle. So that is 4, 8, 9. 9 commands. I think that's the shortest. Maybe. We'll see. So let's run it. So 1, 2, 3. Collect that thing. Nice. Portal. 1, 2. Toggle that thing. You found the shortest route. God, we're so smart. So smart. Congratulations on finding one of the most efficient solutions to this level. Now that you've completed commands, it's time to learn about functions. Alright, and that is where we're going to call it. So we have gone over lesson one, commands. And next episode, next session, next lesson, we're going to be doing functions. So super cool stuff. I really enjoyed doing this. We'll see how it goes moving forward. I'll see you guys later. I love y'all. Happy coding. Stay safe. Bye.